W6RP, and I'm here to talk to you about my antenna that I use up on SOTA Summits. It weighs a little over half a pound, and it's one of the first ones that I ever made for my KX2 when I got it, and it served me really well. From California to Ontario, Canada, no problem. Up into BC, Canada, no problem. You know, down into Florida, down up North Carolina, the whole East Coast, the Dakotas, Texas, New Mexico, Colorado, Kansas, every video. Alright, so I'm going to lay it out. I'm going to tell you exactly the dimensions of it. It's a 16 gauge speaker wire, if I haven't mentioned that already. And I'm going to give you the exact measurements of it. If you want to build one yourself, at least you got somewhere to start. If you don't have an antenna meter, you can you can run it to these specs and then know that your antenna tuner will have no problem handling it. That's about 16, 3 inches. It's about 16, 1 and a half, 16, 2. So, and that's the very tip of there. This antenna, the red leg, has about 2 inches of, almost 3 inches, folded back and taped down. The negative leg goes to about right here, so that's about 2.5 inches of fold back. These little dealies right here, you can get them on Amazon. I forget the name of them right now, but I'll try to find the link and put it in the description. And put that there for a second, so you can write it down, take a picture of it, screenshot it. Okay, so that's how I roll it. And then so down here, the way I connect it to my KX2 is with banana plugs. They're not light, they're on the heavy side, but it works really well. You know, it was one of the first antennas I built, and little over, you know, a half a pound. I can carry it, no big deal. And but a lot of good connection on these. There are lighter ones. These ones are like full-on brass, but yeah, so I connect these right into the binding posts, and it does a really good job. Okay, and this is what it's like in the binding post. Just click right in, plug it in the KX2, and it's time to jam. Thanks for checking it out. I hope this helps you out. I hope it gets you started doing SOTA, QRP, without having to spend $200 on an analyzer. And I appreciate the comments and everything down below. If you have any questions, please subscribe. I'd appreciate that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Catch you next time.